Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our same chapter, that is chapter number 9, pronouns. So, all of you, please uh, open your exercise that is on page number 47. Okay, so the first one is rewrite the following sentence by replacing the noun with a personal pronoun. It means you have to replace the noun with a personal pronoun. As I have already explained you that what are personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, him, her. All these are personal pronouns. Okay, so we have to replace the noun with the personal pronouns. Okay, and after correcting the sentence, we have to rewrite the sentence in the given space. So the first one is Sita and Geeta went to the circus. Sita and Geeta saw many jokers. So in this, the first one is we have to write Sita and Geeta went to the circus, and in place of Sita and Geeta we have to write what we have to write. We have to write they, बिकॉज यहाँ पे सीता और गीता दो हैं. मतलब यहाँ पे अगर सिर्फ सीता होती तो हम शी लिखते, या गीता होती तो हम शी लिखते, लेकिन अगर एक से ज़्यादा है तो देन वी हैव टू यूज़ दे. सो दे सॉ मैनी जोकर्स. ओके, so first one is Sita and Geeta went to the circus. They saw many jokers. Now the second one is Taruna is a businessman. Tarun is a businessman. Tarun is going to Delhi on a business trip. So here the first Tarun is a businessman and Tarun is a boy. So we used in place of noun, that is Tarun, we used personal pronoun, that is he. He is going to Delhi on a business trip. Okay. Now the third one is the animals are in a circus. The animals are tired after the show. Tired after the show. Here the animals are in the circus and they, क्योंकि animals plural है, they are tired after the show. The dog had a bone in his mouth. The dog dropped the bone. Here, in place of the dog noun, we used personal pronouns. So, what we used? The dog had a bone in his mouth and he dropped the bone. Now, the fifth one is Sarita did not go to school because Sarita was not well. So, in place of Sarita, we used she. Sarita did not go to school. She was not well. Okay. So Sarita did not go to school. In place of noun, that is Sarita, in this sentence we use personal pronoun, that is she. She was not well. वो ठीक नहीं थी. Now the B one is fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronoun. You have to fill the blanks with a suitable personal pronoun. So the first one is mother went to the market. Des bought a packet of chips. So what we have to fill? We have to fill she. She bought a packet of chips. Okay. Now the second one is the cat is very small. Des is stuck on the balcony. So the cat is very small. She is stuck on the balcony. The children are angry because They are not able to see the match. Children is a plural, so we used here they. John went to play Ludo, but he is not able to find the dice. Okay. Then that is her toy. So here that is also a demonstrative pronoun. Okay? That. These are small balloons. So these are small balloons. So these are demonstrative pronoun. Those are beautiful hills. So those are again the demonstrative pronoun. The girls is in the room and this. So you have to underline the word this. The dog is not here. This is the dog's kennel. So you have to underline the word this. Those are very naughty girls. So those. That is a golden ring. You have to underline the word that because it demonstrate, it point out the word golden ring. These are very precious room, a spacious room. So you have to underline the word these. This look like an old monument. So you have to underline the word this. Okay. Now here reflexive pronoun. The third one is reflexive pronoun. Now I'm going to read the definition of reflexive pronoun. When the subject of the sentence does something to itself, we use a reflexive pronoun. What does it mean? When the subject of the sentence, किसी sentence के subject में, subject मतलब जो doer होता है, जो काम करता है, something सेंटेंस डज समथिंग टू इटसेल्फ, जो अपने लिए कर रहा है, ठीक है ना, अपने लिए बता रहा है, अपने लिए कर रहा है, तो उस जगह पे हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हिमसेल्फ, माई सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, ऑल दीज आर रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. ओके, so you have to write the definition of reflexive pronoun also in your copy, in your classwork copy. You have to write when the subject of the sentence does something to itself, we use a reflexive pronoun. इसका मतलब है कि जब सेंटेंस जो है, जो सब्जेक्ट जो है, जो डूअर है, वो अपने लिए अगर कोई काम कर रहा है, देन वी यूज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. Like himself, myself, herself, all these are reflexive pronoun. For example, the boy is washing the clothes himself. Boy अपने आप से ही क्लॉथ को वॉश कर रहा है. I love myself. मैं खुद से ही प्यार करती हूँ. Myself. So here myself is a reflexive pronoun. She does all tasks herself. So again here herself is a reflexive pronoun. Father is driving the car himself. So here father is again himself is again the reflexive pronoun. Okay, is that clear to everyone? Okay, if you are having any query, any problem, just let me know. I will clear it out. Now remember, reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self or selves to the pronoun. इसमें बताया है कि रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन हम कैसे बनाते हैं. हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन बनाते हैं जब हम किसी प्रोनाउन में, ओके, हम सेल्फ, SELF, सेल्फ, और उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म होता है सेल्फ्स, SELVES, सेल्फ्स, हम जब ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन बन जाता है. जैसे कि हिम, हिम क्या है, प्रोनाउन है, उसमें हमने सेल्फ ऐड कर दिया, दैट इज हिम सेल्फ. हर में हमने ऐड कर दिया सेल्फ, दैट इज हर सेल्फ. माई सेल्फ, आर सेल्फ्स, जब प्लूरल होगा तो SELVES आ जाएगा. इट सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, ओके, एंड अगेन योर सेल्फ्स, देम सेल्फ्स, ये सारे ऑल दीज आर रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. Okay, now think and answer. So fill in the blanks with suitable reflexive pronoun. आपको blank fill करना है reflexive pronoun से. We will buy the tickets. So what you have to fill? We will buy the tickets. What you have to fill here? Ourselves. So we will buy the ticket ourselves. Okay. Now I will do it. For I we will use myself. I will do it myself. So write myself. Now here third one is he has to finish the work. So what you have to write? He has to finish the work himself. In place of he, you have to write himself. The dog took away the bone. So what you have to write? The boy took away the. So we use itself. Have you drawn the picture? Have you drawn the picture? Then what you have to use here? So have you drawn the picture yourself? Y-O-U-R, yourself. The children will travel by the children will travel by what you have themselves. The girl is capable of doing it herself. Okay. He often talked to himself. I love myself. Mother and father cooked food. What you have to fill? Mother and father cooked food themselves. Okay. So this is all about this exercise. Now you have to we will move to our next topic, that is interrogative pronoun. So what are interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronoun जैसे आपको word से ही पता चल जा रहा है, interrogative pronoun होता है. Interrogative pronouns are those pronouns in which we ask questions. Words used which are used for asking question are called interrogative pronoun. Okay, वो words जिससे हम question पूछते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. जैसे कि हु, हुज, whom, what, which, all these are interrogative pronoun. So you have to write the definition in your copy. Word which are used for asking question are called interrogative pronoun. For example, who, whose, whom, what, which, all these are interrogative pronoun. For example, who, whom, whose are used to ask question about person. जो word who है, whose है, whom है, वो अगर हम किसी person से related कोई question पूछ रहे हैं तब हम use करते हैं. What is used to ask question about thing. What अगर हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हमें किसी चीज़ से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है तो हम यूज़ करते हैं what. Which is used to ask question about particular things or person. Which हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर थिंग और पर्सन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है, दोनों से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है, देन वी विल यूज़ which. Okay, is that clear? So we will move to our next next exercise, that is interrogative pronoun. Okay, here fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronoun. And the first one is this is my favorite actor. So what you have to fill? This is your favorite actor. So you have to fill who. Who is your favorite actor? Second one is this is the color of the sky. What is the color of the sky? This is better shirt. Which is a better shirt? Did you give the envelope? How did you give the envelope? तुमने कैसे दिया लिफाफा? Is standing near the car. Who is standing near the car? कार के पास कौन खड़ा था? This is this car. Which is this car? या who? Which is this? Again, this are you looking for? So whom Whom are you looking for? You have to write whom. Here there is a mistake. You have to write whom are you looking for. Whom do you want to meet now? तुम किससे मिलना चाहते हो? Who is that old man? And the last one is Des are you doing here? What are you doing here? So all this is about